Think $100 isn't enough to start building wealth? That mindset is costing you more than you think. The truth? Most people wait until they have enough, and they never start. But $100, that's more than enough to start your wealth journey. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how. Before you invest a single dollar, get your mindset right. This isn't gambling, this is long-term wealth building. And no, throwing $100 at Dogecoin because your cousin said it would go to the moon doesn't count. You're not just investing money, you're investing intention. That $100, it's a seed. Start with a trusted, beginner-friendly investing app. Fidelity, Vanguard, Robinhood, or M1 Finance. Here's what you can do with that $100. You don't need to pick winners, just pick consistency. Also, can we stop thinking we'll become millionaires overnight? This is not crypto roulette. Don't put all $100 in a single stock. Spread it across 2 to 3 assets, 1 ETF, 1 growth stock, 1 REIT. That's how you protect yourself and grow steadily. The most important part? Build the habit, not the portfolio. Small, consistent deposits beat random big ones. Remember, your future self doesn't care how cool your stocks looked in 2025. They care if you're free. Want to know the one mistake that ruins most beginner portfolios? It's chasing trends. Don't follow hype, follow a system. I'll show you how in the next video. Want to know if Netflix stock is still worth buying in 2025? Tap the next video and find out what smart investors are really doing.